Welcome to Pescar Fixes for Transit 2013-14. It has two OBD. That means this is for the GPS. If you have something like this, try to push it back and put the original one. You need to program a key using the IDS software. Go with it. Now, I like your phone. Yeah. Start go. Let's go. Ignition is on. Security light is on. The key is there. So you already open it. Go look on the bottom. Cancel this. It's there. Open there. Now go to next. Start new session. Yeah, good. Now we're gonna start to communicate. Yes, I like your laptop. You look very fast. Okay, here the radio, but it doesn't matter. No CD. Say with the CD. The next one. Beautiful. Now it's gonna communicate. Say yes. That's the car. So now it will communicate slowly. You can diagnose the whole car or. So now next. That's the VIN number. So now go to the toolbox, the top one. This is the car information. So now go to body. Down. Body. Security. Function. Go next. Ignition on, yeah. Go next. Now you're gonna wait. He say it's gonna take 10 minutes. You wanna continue, say yes. Now it's gonna take 600 seconds. It's 10 minutes to get you into the program. And you see here, it say diag. There's no other choice. So we're gonna wait till that time is finished. When it's finished, it will say security access guarantee. Then it will ask you what you wanna do. Then either you do parameter reset, ignition key code erase, or you want to add a key. في الفورد ده أول ما يشتغل.
تفضل.
Okay. Almost there. So we're gonna wait now. عجبني تلو. Gonna stop sleeping mode. Sleeping mode برضه ما كويسة في العربية. Go next. Click next. Now security guarantee, click next. Now choose what you want to do. Program additional key. Don't clear anything, just program additional key. You can click on the line itself. Yeah, click on it. Now go to the next. Now click yes. Ignition is on over. Click yes. Successful. Click next. You want to program another key? Say no. Do you return to the path? Do you want to return to the path? Say no. Set. Now we're gonna wait a little bit. It's gonna reset itself. Now you're gonna turn it off. Get the key out. Give some time for the computer to refresh. Put it in. This light's supposed to go off. The light go off. Everybody say hey. Thank you.
أردنا نكفي اللانش؟
هاي.
ده من هنا ولا تكفي شنو؟ ولا بس ولا كله بس؟
خلاص go to the order here. But wait. Go here. Go. This is the car. Go here. Here. No, take one second. Click here. وريك البروسيس بتاعك انت عملت شنو. It will tell you from the beginning انت مشيت وين زي الويب سايت عملت شنو key off key on كله بوريك. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. This is Muhammad Harun.